Hey everyone, T-Zilla, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? I am back again on YouTube. Today I have another figure to review. It's the Bandai Creation Gigan. That's right, Gigan, my first Bandai Gigan that I've owned in my collection since I was a kid, and I still have it to this day. So let's go into detail. And I want to say the detail on Gigan is really nice. I love how Bandai sculpted the head. I mean, just look at that. That looks really nice. Nicely done with the beak. Spikes are nicely done on the back of his head, on the back of his neck. Love how they sculpted the fins. Absolutely spot on. And I love how they added spikes on the back of his tail. And I do love the scales all over his body. I mean, just look at that. That looks amazing. And the hooks are nicely sculpted. Buzzsaw. I love the dark green that they gave him all over his body. You got some on the head, arms, legs, tail. And you got some yellow on the front, on his belly, his back of the fins, tail, underneath his tail. Yeah. And they added some burgundy red on his cyclop eyes. Beaks are painted, same with the spikes and the hooks. Same on the feet, tail. So yeah, not much to say. I mean, detail and paint job on Gigan is absolutely spot on. This figure is pretty old. This figure was released in 2002, made in China. That's what it says right there. So yeah. Detail and paint job is spot on Gigan. Yeah, I love it. Articulation. Arms go 360. Pretty stiff. Head rotates 360. Legs rotate 360. With no problem. The tail can move, but it's pretty stiff. So yeah, but I'm not even gonna force it because I don't wanna break the figure by accident. 6 points of articulation. Now it's size comparison. The first one I'm gonna pull out is Godzilla. Now, Godzilla seems to be a little bit taller than Gigan. Gigan should be a little bit taller. He should be about this big compared to Godzilla. So, yeah. Next, Godzilla Final Wars. Same thing with Godzilla Final Wars. He's a little bit taller. Gigan still needs to be a little bit bigger. So yeah. Next, Anguirus. Jet Jaguar. And sizing's really off. Jet Jaguar is taller than Gigan, so this isn't size accurate. Gigan needs to be taller than Jet Jaguar. He should be about this big compared to Jet Jaguar. So yeah. Here's the monster that he teamed up with in the film. King Ghidorah. Next, Megalon. Next, Bandai Japan Showa Gigan. As you can see, Bandai Japan is taller than the Bandai Creation. And last one, the Final Wars Gigan. As you can see, Millennium Gigan is taller than the Showa, and you can see their designs are completely different. You can see their tails are different, spikes are different, fins are different. Their hooks are different. And their heads are different. So yeah. That's my review on the Bandai Creation Showa Gigan. Detail is absolutely amazing. Articulation, he's got 6. Sizing, he's a 6-inch figure. So the figure itself is going to get a 10 out of 10. This figure is absolutely rare and very hard to find. But if you're a big fan of Gigan and if you really like this figure, go ahead and get him. I highly recommend him to you. So yeah, that was my review for today. Thank you all so much for watching my content. You guys are awesome. I really do appreciate it. If you guys like what you see, remember to hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and don't forget to leave a like, and I will see you all in the next video. See ya!